rare, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another on-feet look of a sneaker that's a Nike brand. Y'all know I'm a Nike head, but these right here are not Jordans or Kobe's. They are the Nike Vomero 5. This one is the pink foam colorway, and I figured it'd be perfect for Valentine's Day. So as we celebrate Valentine's tomorrow, I just wanted to give you guys something that was kind of like in that pink and red colorway to show some love on the channel. But this is your first time tapping in, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have not seen one of these type of videos today, you're going to just see an on-feet look of these things. I'll show you the box at the end of the video, a little up close and personal look of the sneaker, but we're going to talk about sizing tips, comfortability, and overall aesthetic. We're going to rank these things, and hopefully if you're on the fence about purchasing them, it'll kind of help you make up your mind. Let's go ahead and get up into it. Starting with the right sneaker, as you guys can see right here, the Vomero 5 has been a silhouette that everybody has been on for many reasons. You got your Asics, you got your New Balances, but for people like me that's just faithful Nike people, we need something to compensate for it. We need something along the lines of a Yeezy 700 when it talks about comfortability, and this is what we get, man. This is an extremely dope shoe, but as you guys can see right here, we have that dark maroon, ruby red Nike swoosh outlined in white, the pink foam around the sides of it. You have a mixture of leather, mesh netting, and also rubber caging around that Nike swoosh. You have a pink and white outsole, you guys can see right there. As we take a look at the front of the sneaker, you have white rope laces, the ruby red along the toe box, and then you have that pink leather around the laces. Nike Air Vomero 5 branding on the tongue. Same thing on this sneaker. Super comfortable shoe. Look at the other side, as you guys can see right here. As we take a look at the back of the sneaker, traditional Vomero 5s. You got the red Nike swoosh on there. You got the little caging back there. And on the bottom, you have like a dark brown, almost burgundy type traction on the bottom, mixed in with a little bit of white. On the inner side of the shoe, as you guys can see right here, it's the exact same thing with that Nike swoosh. Super bulky looking. These things are comfortable, man, and as you guys can see, they look very, very good. You can wear these lifestyle, you can wear these performance wise. Super good sneaker. Only one set of laces on these things, which is going to be the white one, but you could switch them out if you like. Now let's talk about sizing. When it comes to sizing, these things are true to size. This one is a women's exclusive, and it only came in women's sizes, but it did come in extended sizes. I'm your traditional 11.5. This is a size 13, which is an 11.5, so sizing would definitely be true to size. Next up, comfortability. Man, hey, look, I'm telling you guys, you ain't gonna get no more comfortable than these. You can wear these all the time. These are a 9.5 out of 10, and the only reason why I'm giving them a 9.5 is because, man, it ain't many shoes I can give a 10, but these things are comfortable. Overall aesthetic, just the overall look. So many different colorways, variations when it comes to this sneaker. I'm going to say 9.5 when it comes to this shoe. Super comfortable, extremely versatile, a lot of color combinations, super affordable, many variations. It's just everything you can think about in this sneaker. I just love it, and it's just the best sneaker right now to buy. You can do so many things with it. So y'all let me know down in the comment section. Comment down below and let me know if y'all agree. How many Vomeros do you have? And if you don't own any, man, walk into your stores, grab you a pair. But we're going to go ahead and get an up close and personal look of these things, and I'm going to show you the box, and we're going to close out the video. Let's go. All right, so as we take a look at the box really quick, just your orange label Nike box. Here's the size tag and everything like that if you want to legit check. Again, this is women's sizes, so this is a women's size 13, which transfers over to a men's 11.5. Now, as we open up this box, nothing but the white paper on the inside, and then the quality control sticker right there, and that'll be all for the box. Again, as I stated on the on feet, man, these things are just extremely comfortable. These are the Yeezy 700s of Nike, and I know a lot of people are not on the Yeezy wave right now, but when it comes to comfortability, you can't get no better than this. You know, you got your Asics and stuff out there, the New Balances, the Sauconys or Sauconys, and y'all know I'm a Nike guy, so of course this had to be the wave for me. So many different colorways, a lot of them are sitting under retail. They continue to drop these things, so I would say go ahead and pick you guys up a pair. But that's all I got for you guys. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. A happy Valentine's Day. to each and every one of you guys. Do something special for your loved one, man. Even outside of Valentine's Day. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.